Yes, I know that you're looking for an induction cooktop and you want it cheap with plethora of features. Guys, before buying any random off the shelf component, be it from offline store, showroom or from an online platform, please check out these top 5 best induction cooktops that I have picked up for you. And yes, there's a bonus at the end, so make sure to watch this entire video without skipping. Let's start with Havells. Now this has been a very seasoned player. In fact, I am myself using Havells since the past 10 years. And let's start with their Cook 1600 watt model. This is a solid all-purpose model which comes with 3-year warranty on the coil. That's the most important part of an induction cooktop, that is the electromagnetic coil. So that thing gets a 3-year warranty, the entire machine gets 1-year warranty. This is very good. It comes with all the important features like pan detection. I mean, you can see E0 right over here because there's no pan placed on it and this induction is not going to start, which makes it very safe. So pan detection, auto power off, digital LED indication and a low maintenance glass surface. Let's check out its elder brother, that is the Havells Cook 1900 watt, which is the exact this model right here. The earlier one was Cook 1600. Cook comes with improved 1900 watts of power for faster cooking. Rest of the features are all the same. Let's move to Philips with their Viva collection, and this is the HD 4928 basic model, which comes with all the required features like pot detection, preset menus, voltage fluctuation protection and 2100 watts of power for faster cooking. And then we can upgrade to Philips Viva full glass, which is the HD 4938 model. It comes with the same 2100 watt power output, but it comes with a stronger build due to having this entire glass surface and touch control. It also comes with a cool touch surface technology. And guys, if you can afford it, please go for this full glass model. Now, what is the advantage of having a full glass model? All right, so having this full glass surface right over here, imagine if this is a full glass surface, it is very easy to clean. It prevents any kind of spillage from entering in the buttons right over here. So this is an older design which comes with this push button style design, and what happens is that through this wrapper, through the plastic, sometimes spills or liquids can enter into the machine. They can ruin your machine, and in the worst case scenarios there could be the risk of an electric shock. So guys, I will highly recommend that whenever you're buying a new induction cooktop, if you can afford it, go with a full glass model along with the touch controls. All right, and I've already given variety of tips and tricks, something like this one in this particular induction ultimate buying guide. The video is available in the I button or in the video description, and I'll also put it at the end of this video. Apart from this tip, there are many more waiting for you in that video. Let's move to Prestige. Now this year Prestige has brought in many interesting options, and let's start with the very premium PIC 6.1 V3. This is a very powerful 2200 watt model, noted for its visual counter feature. This is really new. So guys, if you've been using pressure cooker a lot, and if you want like, okay, the pressure cooker should be done in 5 whistles and then I want to turn it off. So your induction cooktop is going to listen those whistles for you and then turn itself off when it is done. That is very user friendly, and it's going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to save you from a lot of mess. All right, it comes with 7 menu presets, 4 kV surge protection, a full glass design with touch buttons. Comes with 1-year standard warranty. Want something in budget? I mean, this visual counter thing and all is nice, but it comes at a hefty cost. So maybe you can check out the 1200 watt Iris Eco model. It comes with similar features like above, but it comes with regular push buttons like these ones, which make these clicky sounds. So these are the regular push buttons. It comes with 1200 watts of power, and the reduced power makes it very efficient, and this could be a very good option if you're planning on using the induction cooktop on solar or any kind of off-grid inverter battery system. All right guys, if you want to check out how to use induction cooktops on solar energy or using the inverter, then make sure to watch this particular video right here, available in I button or in the video description. Now, if these things are out of stock, you can check out their alternatives. So next would be Prestige Atlas Neo. This is again 1200 watts, best for light occasional use like making tea or coffee. And next comes Prestige Atlas Touch 2000 watt. This is a solid, balanced reliable performer for daily cooking, and I was surprised that considering it's a full touch model with touch buttons, the pricing was very good. It was around 3000 rupees at the time of making this video. Of course, they can change, so links are in the description. You can check out the updated prices right over here. If these particular cooktops are out of stock on Flipkart or Amazon, then you can also buy this model directly from the manufacturer website. Link is available in the video description. Let's move to the Pigeon with their Cruise 1800 watt series. It comes with 7 preset cooking modes, all features like 1 minute to 3 hours timer support, auto shut off, high voltage and high current protection, sturdy body with anti-skid legs, and 1 year standard warranty. Next comes the Pigeon Acer Plus. This comes with the same power as earlier, so it's going to have the same 1800 watt power capacity, but it comes with touch controls for easy cleaning and long life. Let's move to the king of home appliances, that is Crompton, and in the budget range you can check out their InstaServe 1600 watt model with decent safety features and push button design. 4 kVA surge protection, 7 instant menus, and keep warm function. Yes, I mean, this is new. You can keep your food warm after you are done cooking. So I don't know why other brands are not offering something like this. Let's check out its elder brother, that is the InstaServe 2100 watts. Okay, in addition to above features, what it comes with is full glass panel, touch controls which prevents any kind of damage happening due to spillage, and also prevents you from having an electrical shock hazard. Both of these come with standard 1 year warranty, and yes, a surprising detail that I found out when researching is that the pricing was roughly the same. That's, I mean, very interesting. So if you want to have faster cooking, go with the 2100 watt model, and if you are planning to use it on solar inverter during power cuts, during load shedding, then go with the 1600 watt model. Let's end this video with a little bit of bonus, because I'm seeing that whenever I was researching about inductions, oh, they're like out of stock almost everywhere. So even the models which are available in stock are highly overpriced. The models which used to sell for like 2000 rupees last month are now priced at 4000 rupees. So what can you do? You can check out this one, guys. This is the Usha Cook Joy 3616 1600 watt model, and the pricing was below 3000 at the time of making this video. If I remember correctly, it was like 2800 rupees, which is like practically the old price, and it comes with all the basic features. I mean, yeah, it does come with push button design, something like this. Yeah, a bit of a basic setup, but it is simple, it works, and you cannot go wrong with this purchase. Guys, it does not matter what kind of model you would like to buy. Affiliate buying links for all of these induction cooktops are available in the video description, in the first comment, or in the view product section right over here. To support my channel, to support my research, please consider using my affiliate section. And yes, these induction cooktops do require their special set of utensils. I mean, the pots and pans have to be designed to work on an induction cooktop, and the links for them will also be present in the video description. So guys, if you've been thinking that okay, but like I want to use glass, aluminium, mud, or copper utensils, or if you have a large collection of old utensils lying around which are not induction compatible, what you can do, guys? In that case, you can check out this particular video, which is regarding infrared cooktops. They also work with old utensils. And yes, that particular induction ultimate buying guide that I was talking about with various golden tips, that video will be right here. Click on any of these videos and learn something new today. That's it for this little video, guys. I hope you liked watching it. Take care and have a nice day. And yes, happy cooking.